as an image it creates of the candidate of Harsha in the minds of the assessor, right? So you need to go forward, Harsha, read it, and then we'll do the analysis. Over to you.
Sir, should I just narrate how I narrated in the narration?
So what I would suggest you is let's do two things. First of all, you do the narration, and after the
Yes,
narration, then I would like you to read also.
yes, sir.
First of all, do the narration, and then I want you to read also.
Sure, sir. From the given picture, I have perceived that there are three men of age 18 and a positive mood, and the title of the story is Practice Always Improves a Person. Ramesh and his friends always had a very busy academic schedule. So one day they all planned to go for a trip when Ramesh came up with an idea to go to a beach where they can all swim together and enjoy. One of Ramesh's friend denied to this, saying he doesn't know how to swim. Ramesh convinced his friend after a long discussion, saying that he would teach him swimming. Holidays, Ramesh took his friend to swimming pool and taught him all the basics required. With consistent practice and proper guidance, Ramesh's friend learned swimming in 2 weeks. Then all of them went to a trip on a two beach and enjoyed all together.
Okay, all right. So I believe what you have narrated and what you have written is one and the same thing. There's
Yes, sir.
there's no change because at times there comes as a change in the narration. But what I can see right now here, there is technically no change in your writing and as well as in your narration that you have done. Okay. Now, before I go forward and give you the analysis on this, uh, I would like to know your self analysis because as I have been always telling you people to go with the self analysis, I want you to go forward and tell what is your own self analysis when you wrote this PPT. Let me see what introspection you have been able to do.
Yes,
What
sir.
introspection you
I majorly found two problems, sir. The first one, I didn't find the crisp and flavor of the story, and the second one, I found that as in the PPT instructions, they say what led to the situation, but as of the picture I got, I have made the picture, the scene of the picture as the ending of the story, as I felt this is one of the reasons.
So if you even have made the picture scene as the ending of the story, so what is the problem in that? So like, do you feel there's some problem in this?
No, I personally felt that to keep what led to the situation could have brought me some more ideas if I would have kept that at the starting or at the middle. So,
As in,
like I would have written like now when I'm just sitting and thinking, I'm getting more ideas like I could have helped a person who is drowning and like that, sir. So I was just thinking if I would have kept the picture scene at the starting or at the middle of the story, then I could have got more ideas.
picture scene at the starting or the middle of the picture? I still didn't get you exactly what. As in, are you telling like what could have been the way for perform better, or you are trying to tell what is the problem you have committed?
No, sir, I'm telling I could have performed better too. Like I am just telling that the picture what I have perceived, I have kept the scene at the ending of the story. I thought after completing my PPT, I thought of I should have kept the picture at the starting of the story or at the middle.
Okay, now tell me one thing. If you could have kept the picture in the starting or the middle, then what would have happened? I want to know.
Then yes, if I would have kept at the starting or at the middle, then I could have I could have got more fresh ideas, sir, at that time. I felt like that because like when I have kept at the starting, I have already mentioned about this scene in the story, so I could have got more and more ideas in which I could have chosen the best one.
Mhm. Okay, all right. Now the point here is you need to understand there is still something we are missing onto here, which is the crux of a PPDT, which has been explained very profoundly in the screening success blueprint. But I believe something again is being missed out. Please understand this thing this is something very clear and very important, which I have been sharing with you people, and it has already been shared in the screening success blueprint as well. The idea is when you say that I have kept the scene in the ending, and if I would have kept in the beginning, middle, all these things. First of all, you need to understand one thing, and the reality is that one thing is, which is a reality, is the scene that you're talking about is actually different for every eye. The concept of a hazy picture, and the name itself says picture perception and discussion test. So they want you to perceive it. When they want you to perceive it, it is your way how you perceive it. If you try to make it a kind of an objective questions, or if you make it a kind of a academic kind of a working that it should be like this, it should be like this, isko yahan rakhna chahiye, isko yahan rakhna chahiye, that will never going to work. The idea is whole PPDT reflects the very blueprint of your personality. You are at the core. बहुत सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है, इसको मत उलझाओ आप लोग. बहुत सिंपल कॉन्सेप्ट है. इसको आप ऐसे समझ लीजिए, एक इंसान जो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लैरिटी में या एक्सप्रेशन में बहुत अच्छा नहीं है, the one who is not so good in the concept clarity and in expression, that particular person, if is having a very strong foundation of a character, of a strong go-getter personality, and a person who can really go forward and really can gracefully accept the odd situations, he or she could be one who might be very easily picked up in a PPDT. What I'm trying to tell you from this is, it's not the overall game is not about, the majority game is not about the expression. Expression is important, undoubtedly, but the crux is all about the reflection of who you are. Expression plays an important role in that, but at times if you are little weak in expression, then also the reflection of persona of personality, a reflection of personality can also be delivered. So what you rightly said, first you need to clear your these agendas. If you are not able to get through with the process, that does not mean कि हम जबरदस्ती गलतियां ढूंढे. As in, introspection is required. Need to find out the problem. Need to figure out the problem. But that does not mean that we should figure out something which is like we are not having a clarity about it, and we are just going to say कि ठीक है जी ये problem है, ये problem है. Now understand what has been the major thing. Whatever you have perceived, but what you have perceived after that, the making of your story actually shows me a little state of confusion within your mind. And that is the reason you have not been able to deliver a very impactful story. Now, how it shows, I will tell you. But before I explain, I would like to ask you, Harsha, at that time, that when you were writing this particular PPDT at that time, tell me very honestly the exact state of your mind. Were you having the state when you were feeling uh, quite a little into a strong pressure, and most importantly, प्रेशर इज ऑन एवरीवन, वो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, प्रेशर तो हर किसी को होता है, बट मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली यू आर लिटिल गोइंग कंफ्यूज्ड एंड ब्लैंक specifically. Was that the state?
Yes, sir.
Right. The point is, it is getting reflected from your story. अब आप पूछोगे कैसे? It's very logical and evident and you are making. See, you wanted to deliver a crux of a story. अगर मैं आपकी स्टोरी को बहुत सिंपल वर्ड्स में बोलूं, आप बेसिकली इस स्टोरी से ये क्रक्स देना चाह रहे थे that whatever the kind of picture which was there in front of you, you perceived it in a certain way, where you made Ramesh as a hero. That means Ramesh is you only, and Ramesh took a lead, and by taking a lead and initiative, he helped the friends to actually go forward, made him learn swimming and all those things, blah, 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 right? But the point is, the hero, along with being the one who is doing some actions to show their personality or spread the goodness, that is very good, that you must show it in the actions, but the overall game what you write has to be very practical also. I don't understand, you start the story saying Ramesh and his friends always had a very busy academic schedule, right? So one day they planned to go for a trip when Ramesh came up with an idea to go to a beach where they all can swim together and enjoy a lot. Now the point here is, this little finds me that while you were writing, you were actually confused. What it means that you are writing on one hand, they are having a very busy academic schedule, and on the other hand you are saying that someone is already very busy, and someone one day they were just sitting and they just planned for a trip, right? And in the trip, now tell me one thing, I'm just wanted to ask you, when you go for a trip from a very busy schedule, आप बहुत काम कर लेते हैं and you just get completely blocked, and after you plan out something, आप क्यों प्लान करते हो? आप retreat क्यों प्लान करते हो? Tell me, why you go for a retreat or a holiday? बहुत सारे लोग पैंडेमिक में घर बैठे रहे, they were just sitting in the home, and after that they said I want to go some out. What is the reason?
Sir, to get relaxed.
Correct. So we want to go and we want to get relaxed. Now you are saying already they have a super busy academic schedule, right? Still, what you are trying to deliver as a kind of from your story, what you are delivering as a overall perspective, that they managed to take out some time to go to a trip, and they planned for a trip, and then they planned for a beach. And in that beach, problem came that one of the friend doesn't know swimming, and then he thought कि अब मैं पूरी swimming सिखाऊंगा. Tell me one thing, you are completely busy with something and completely flooded, you want to go for a retreat, for a relax. Do you feel for you and for that friend, both of you want to go and relax, and you are saying okay, I will make you teach something now again, and you learn again, and then we will go for a retreat? Do you really find it something a digestible or practical thing?
No, sir.
This is the problem, my dear. And because of this, it completely shows that when this chap was writing the story, he got confused. He actually got confused. And when he got confused, what he is trying to do, now understand, what he is trying to do, he is trying to be pretentious in a way, showing his qualities. Why? Because the kind of problem you have created, it is not a problem. But because you wanted to show the karma of Ramesh, who is no one but he is you only, and because you wanted to showcase the blueprint of your personality, you created a kind of a problem with your own. The problem is, doesn't know swimming. मैंने swimming सिखाई, I taught him, he learned, did practice, blah blah blah, they went and they did enjoy it. The overall outlook is, now understand the crux. The crux is, this chap was confused while writing, and then with the confusion he tried to smartly took over the game and I can find that this does not comes very naturally as a story. This is more of trying to be pretentious. And now, what I have rightly said to you, just go in the flashback and share what was your state of mind. First step, you said that yes, you were little confused and going blank. Now I'm telling you the second thing, and tell me that is the truth or not. With this thought process, there was another thought which was holding you, and that was that somehow I need to show my OLQs.
Yes, sir. Yes. Subconsciously, I was doing the same, sir.
I'm sorry?
Yes, sir. Subconsciously, I was doing the same, sir.
That's it. You were trying to be subconsciously trying to do the same, making it a process, and automatically it becomes so pretentious, and that is why it is not at all an impactful story. This is the crux. आपको बहुत subtle पे उतर के देखना पड़ेगा. That is what I have been telling you, all of you. It's not about what you think. Just understand the crux of PPDT, how PPDT goes. Now, can you see, just by your story, I picked up that what was the state of mind you were having. Whereas in this story, nothing is like described like this. And now when I have explained you, now you can resonate it. Just see, it's so logical and obvious. आप मतलब कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा, वे वो बहुत बिजी थे, बिजी के बाद आदमी रिलैक्स होने जाता है. आपने कहा आजा भाई मैं एक और चीज में तेरे को बिजी कर देता हूं पहले. And then I am trying to create. The idea is you need to perceive. When you perceive something, obviously it's a very simple thing. When you perceive something, there will be a cause and there will be an effect. But that cause and effect should not be pretentious. That means it has to be something which should lively describe that particular thing, where you are actually doing that particular action logically by the heart, but not with an objective to show that I am good and I am the right person to get selected, or one should select me. The moment you will tune your mind to this frequency, unknowingly you will end up writing something which you will not realize, but that will be something which will not let you pass the system. And that is something which is, you can see right now, also happened with you.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Have you got that clarity at a very subtle level? What is the main link which got disconnect totally?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. All other people also just understood like what is the very, very subtle problem in it. Any questions anyone has on this?
Sir, I have a question, sir. Prashant.
Yeah. Tell me, Prashant.
So is there any way to deal with this kind of situation, like getting confused? Like pressure is the one part that it is always there, but the second part, as you
सबको आएगा उसमें, वो तो हो ही नहीं सकता ना आए किसी को भी.
Then the second one is the confusion. Like it may happen, like in a hypothetical situation, if it happens. So how to deal with it? We have just 4 minutes and 30 seconds. So is there any way to deal with this?
There is a way to deal with it, and the way is very simple. There is a very simple way. The simple way to deal with the confusion, you need to understand what is the source of a confusion. Source of confusion is always because of the two reasons. हर एक चीज की कुछ जड़ होती है, रूट्स होती है. कंफ्यूजन की दो ही रूट्स होती है. नंबर वन, या तो एक रूट तब होती है when I do not have a clarity of the subject, that what I need to do. The another thing why the confusion comes when I have a duality. Duality means मैं कर पाऊंगा या नहीं, हो पाएगा नहीं, मेरे को मैं PPDT स्क्रीन हो पाऊंगा नहीं, हो तो जाऊंगा, कहीं रह तो नहीं जाऊंगा. ये duality जो है ये confusion में डालती है. So a lot of time there are chap who has a clarity, but because they develop too much pressure, that pressure leads to duality. And the duality of, will I get screened in or not? नहीं यार मैं हो जाऊंगा, अरे नहीं मैं बहुत बढ़िया लिखूंगा. This duality at that moment puts you into a particular zone where you leave your natural persona. and then you try to forcefully implement things. When you try to implement things forcefully, and at the same point of time you have a lot of psychological time pressure, the end result would be that you will not be able to handle, but the fact is everything will going to crash. This is the simple source of a confusion. And the answer to this confusion, once you know the roots, अगर आपको roots पता है, so Harsha is saying, yes sir, that was the exact situation I was in. बिल्कुल यही situation सटीक में था. So when you know, now you have understood the roots of it. When you know the roots, the solution is very simple. First of all, clarity, which is the most important part, as I have been always telling you, because once you have that, then only you will get the confidence. I'm sure 100%, 110% sure on one thing, which is not my belief, but that is something, a proof I have got to know from the members of this community, all those who are pursuing the SSB recommendation blueprint program course. And that is all those people sincerely by heart who are doing, they have the 110% clarity of the game. Now, the majority of all these people who are doing it, they get the clarity, but the majority of them, they flung on the second part. Where, as I have been saying, if you remember the third secret, when you came for the very first time in the webinar, there only the duality comes. All of you, when you go over there, you come into a duality, and that duality puts you again into a state of confusion. And that state of confusion takes you to a point where you try to apply the force. When you try to apply the force will never going to work. It has to be an effortless game. SSB recommendation is all about being effortless. Till the time you cannot be graceful and effortless, you will not be able to recommend. So in order to avoid that duality, I have also suggested you very strongly, the simple idea is, please go for the SSB. It's my strong request. Go and attend SSB, just like do and die, as simple as that. The problem here is, please understand, the problem here is, when you know about something, you unintentionally become too much trained. I'll give you one very, very strong study that has been done. And recently I have written one paper, soon it will be published. I will share with all of you in few of the very international journals. I have written on SSB only. It has been observed, lot of fresher candidates who really have within them to get the recommendation, who have that particular personality persona, if they don't read anything about the system, or if they don't go for any coaching or anything or any program, they are more likely to get recommended. Do you know why? The reason is, when the mind does not know what is there in the system, automatically situations become do and die. Because how come mission goes like, mission is like you are climbing a mountain, you are climbing a peak to capture it, and you know there is a intrusion, but you don't know what level of intrusion is there, who is sitting over there, what will happen. You say, let me get cautious and let's go there, and I need to be very active. What will happen? I will spontaneously handle it, but I need to make it happen. So what happens? Evidently, I come to a state of do and die. And because automatically, unconsciously, they are into the state of do and die, and they have that quality of being that those OLQs are already in their active state, they get the recommendation. On the other hand, lot of aspirants who definitely have the particular caliber to get recommended, but either their officer like quality or their non-uniform officer is in the sleeping mode, or they need to work onto it, which is a lot of majority of categories. They have to be sent to a structured mentoring system. But that structuring mentoring system again has to be about building up your system and a persona. It's not about telling you about the system कि भाई देखो PPDT में ये नुस्खा है, वैट में ये कर लेना, एसआरटी में ये तो कुछ चलता ही नहीं, ये तो सब दिस इज ऑल flop show. It's there is no point saying this. Just use this word, use this particular tense at that particular second. No tense, nothing will remember. So for those people, which all of you have been even sharing your feedbacks, everything, you people have been experiencing transformation at various level. With that mindset, the overall SSB recommendation blueprint journey has been engineered, which has yes impacted a lot of people at various transformational levels. Lot of candidates got recommended also. There are people who still got flunked, they were not able to get through. But the point is, why they are not able to get through, you need to figure out that particular problem. And in this specific case of this confusion of duality, when you have the clarity why this confusion of duality is coming, that you are not able to put yourself in do and die, and the reason is because you know everything. And because you know everything, कहते हैं ना, ज्यादा ज्ञान भी जब हो जाता है थोड़ा सा, तो अपने आप को आपको मेंटेन करना बहुत जरूरी है. And that is why I say to a lot of candidates and all the chaps, don't be overconfident when you go over there. The moment you leave for there, leave everything. It is just like a pure mission that you have taken forward. So it is a very strong appeal to all of you that you need to maintain yourself and you need to take this thing as a do and die. When you enter into the SSB gate and when you sit in the testing hall while the briefing is going on, I would always advise you, you always get few knack of minutes, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 30 seconds, while people are settling down, the respective, I would say the one who has to take the charge or the whosoever has to come and instruct you. In that time, that's the best time when you should not look here and there, talk to people. Close your eyes and just pray within yourself that I have got a chance to give myself for this mission. Let me give myself for the mission, and I leave everything on the Almighty to push me for this mission, and I'm going to give my 100%. Let's see how it works. That should be your way. So this will help you to put yourself into that zone. और जैसे ही आप इस जोन में आओगे ना, ये जितनी भी आप लर्निंग्स आपने करी है और इतनी क्लैरिटी और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन करी है, ये अपने आप वहां मैनिफेस्ट होगा. आपको करना नहीं पड़ेगा. This all game, what you have learned, this all will get manifested in actions automatically. But the moment you try to apply a force and you try to act over smart because of your over intelligence or because of the duality, which is the confusion, in both the cases, you will going to crash. And that is what happened with Harsha as well. And this particular thing, I mentioned him before he was leaving SSB. He knows this. I mentioned him very clearly. And I told him, this is your problem where you really need to work on. Because he has come from a particular point where he has been doing super good in academics. So at times, our mindset becomes like this, that I have been the top. I have been topping my every exam and everywhere. So I have to do this. Then obviously there are some self expectations also. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि नहीं भाई मुझे तो करना ही है कैसे भी करके. करना है, that's right. That should be the attitude. But करना है के साथ there should not be any duality and there should not be any game to say that okay, I will do this, I will do this. करना है का मतलब है I just need to give my 110% for the mission. Let's see how the mission works. अपने आप आपका स्पॉन्टेनिटी में सारी लर्निंग्स अपने आप एक्शन में फ्लो होंगी, अपने आप एक्शंस में मैनिफेस्ट होंगी. अपने आप जहां पर आपको कैसे एक्ट करना है, कैसे आपको रिस्पॉन्ड करना है, जो आपका बहुत प्रोफाउंडली नॉन यूनिफॉर्म ऑफिसर को शो करेगा, वो अपने आप मैनिफेस्ट होगा. दिखाना नहीं पड़ेगा किसी को, वो अपने आप हो जाएगा. एक होता है दिखाना, एक होता है यू स्पीक अबाउट इट. Your aura speaks about it. Your aura will speak that thing. Either you will be in screening, PPDT, either you will be in psychology, GTO, interview, wherever you will be. So you need to work on this, and this is a small tip I have given you. It's a very workable tip. Just apply it whenever all those will be going for the SSB next time. and that's the way which will really help you to take over this thing. All right, Prashant,
Yes, sir.
got the clarity, right?
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, anyone any doubt on this? Is it clear? Any doubt on this PPDT? It's clear? Okay, all right. So this was this is the analysis of the PPDT of Harsha that we have done, and with all these learnings that you have got a clarity, just apply it, and then see automatically your PPDT will going to be the fantastic, and do apply it in the mock as well. All right. Okay, great. So this is done. But this was a good thing, I believe, आप सब लोगों के लिए, and it was a very, it was little more of a tricking PPDT for a lot of people to understand कि इसमें क्या problem है. But this is something good which has given you a clarity. Though it took some time, but no problem. Now we can move forward.
Mummy.
Now, let me go forward just a second. आपका प्रशांत कौन से वाला है वो, please can you tell me what is the date, that particular analysis?